Hey there, folks, get ready for a perfume high story that smells as fishy as a teenager's bedroom. A gang of 5 Floridian fragrance fiends just got slapped with prison sentences for their daring escapade in the Garden State. So, picture this, a bunch of dudes from Florida decide to take a little field trip to New Jersey in 2017. They break into a warehouse in Edison and make off with a truckload of perfume. I mean, seriously, who steals perfume? Maybe they were trying to cover up some other crimes? But wait, it gets better. These masterminds were busted when they tried to pull the same stunt at another perfume warehouse in East Brunswick. It's like they had a nose for trouble. Now, for the juicy part, the sentencing. Carlos Duvergel, Juan Crespo, Felix Castillo, Asne Fernandez, and Ismael Manzano Suarez each got their own prison vacation. You've got sentences ranging from 33 to 37 months. And after they serve their time, they're on probation for 3 years and need to cough up $36 million in restitution. Ouch, but New Jersey seems to be the place for headline-worthy crooks lately. Remember that GoFundMe scam? Kate McClure claimed her boyfriend was homeless, but it turns out he wasn't. She got 3 years, and her boyfriend got probation. Guess crime doesn't always pay, especially when it involves perfume and a fake sob story.